Okay, rinse cycle just stopped. And here comes the drain. You hear that? That's what it's supposed to sound like. And eventually you'll hear a whoosh as the water empties. It starts to suck air. Ready? There it is. Empty. I got you. I got you. Now it should shut down and go into drying mode. Empty. I'm gonna open it up and confirm. We don't usually dry. I'll just open the door up and leave it, let it air dry. But that's it. No more water. A little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Steady flow. It's like I don't know what the dishwasher must have had like a kidney stone or something. It was blocking it from being able to piss the water out. But now it's fixed. What does Calverton Hockley from Titanic say? I always win. Let's double check this. Empty. A couple more squirts. Minute 47. I'm just gonna open it and show you that this mofo is empty. Here we go. Empty. Look at that, huh? No water. I love it. I beat you, motherfucker.